flower. So first step, you need all like items. You need a hot glue, you need a pen, you need a stapler, and you need a scissor, and then you need just some craft felt, 2 reds and 1 green. So first step, just take the green one and fold it in half and make sure it's good till the end.
Yes.
So now I just finished drawing the half circle,
And then we will cut it.
and then we will cut it. And it should look like this. Open it, then cut till, like, cut in half. Cut it like this into 2 pieces. So now it was like this, but we cut it in half. Yeah, same as this one. So now we will fold it like a fan. Take 1 piece and fold it from this side. So I'm gonna fold it. So after folding it, I'm gonna staple it from down. These are the 4 leaves. We staple them for one side and from the other side because they were falling. The staple, they're right here. That's why we had to do it on the both sides. And these are the lotus. So 1 leaf should go over the other leaf. Then just put it together with the hot glue, the bottom part. So we glued it like this. These are the leaves. We're gonna join them later when we make our lotus flower. So now we're gonna make our lotus flower. So we need to fold it in half and then into a square, 4 pieces. Then fold it like this.
cut the down part.
And cut the down part. So let's take another craft felt and then fold it in half till that line.
Not this side, other side. Yeah, like this.
So do it like this way,
Cut it into piece.
and then cut it into a piece. So it should look like this first, then it should look like this. So I made 4 small squares. These are 4 small squares and 4 big squares. So first we're gonna do like this.
1 fold.
1 fold, then the second fold, and then the third fold,
Corner. Yes.
corner to corner,
And then we cut it.
and then we're gonna cut it from here. So we're gonna cut it like this. So we're gonna make leaves like this. We're gonna cut all the squares into these. We cut all the leaves, now we're gonna staple them.
Then we will staple it from the back side
Then we're gonna staple it from the back side like this
to give it shape.
to give it a shape. So we did the shape. We staple it from the back side. See 1 staple? See 1 staple right there, 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 and there. And it gives it a shape. So now I want to put hot glue on here. So now I'm putting it. So I glued it, and it looks like this. So we need yellow craft felt because we need to make the seeds. So first you're gonna fold, then you're gonna fold again.
Then we cut it.
Then we're gonna cut it. So we're gonna cut it inside these. So I cut it like this, and we're gonna roll it now. So we rolled it, and now we're gonna glue it to the flower inside here. Now we're done. Now we just need to stick it in here. stick both of these together, then just stick this here. I cut it a circle because we need some support. So I put some glue under this and under this, and then you just have to put this on. And then you're done. Just wait for a few seconds and it will be all dry. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Bye! And like our videos.